welcome you, sir, and I welcome Mr. Manish Tiwari, Member Parliament and the spokesperson of the All India Congress Committee. Most outright respects to Dr. Pal Singh, Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, Pratap Singh Bajwa, Member Parliament from Gurdaspur, Mr. Brajendra Singla, the Member Parliament from Lulu, Mr. P.S. Pinder, former Police Commissioner of New Delhi, my respected father, Mr. Trilochan Singh Sandhu, and above all, I'm grateful to Mr. Prapreet Singh Gill, who happens to be my relative. He is flown all the way from Frankfurt for this occasion, and all my sincere relatives and well-wishers who are here to be with me. I'm grateful to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time and giving me an encouragement about a year ago when I had met you precisely, and you patted me, and before I had gone to Germany for my final research countdown on the invitation by the judiciary of the Federal Court of Justice in Karlsruhe, and later on the Landgericht post in Frankfurt Main and the Emigricht post in Wiesbaden. Sir, this book is a comparative study research of the mutual functioning of the two court countries, which has taken initially 5 years and 3 months over my 6 constant visits on being invited by the judiciary of Germany. I request Mr. Baljit to please start the presentation. Finally, the countdown in 2010. During the interaction, it was a very detailed conversation in form of a dialogue initiated with Dr. K. Nam, the former Federal Prosecutor General of Republic of Germany. He advised me to take up this subject, and later on he put in the word to his colleagues. And they were a committee of 7 judges and 1 president. President means addressed as the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, who made me to get every point being sent on email by me to their colleagues. And later on, they were kind enough to provide me certain literature in English that presents in the book over the organizational structure, and they allowed me to take the personal information and the pictorial information of the 3 courts. That's the Federal Court of Justice, Landgericht, the High Court, that is called the Landgericht, and the regional court, that's called the Emigricht courts. So, sir, finally, the participation in the court hearings in June 2009, the participations in the criminal matters of the appeals with the respective judges in 2009, and finally my name was recommended, sir, by the Honorable Chamber of Lawyers, that's Federal Prosecutor status of the Federal Republic of Germany in Berlin, and my name was recommended to be from India in the international meet that was held in October 2009. And in Berlin, sir, on the 6th of November, I had the opportunity, her brilliance and the influence of the legal system. So, sir, to conclude, it's my proud privilege to present today before your good self and the esteemed, respected fellow leaders and respected friends of my country, the compare of the legal system of the India and the German legal as well as the court functioning system. Now this is a pictorial of 3 minutes. This is in 2003. This is Federal Court of Justice. Then, sir, 2007 again in the Karlsruhe, the Supreme Court, where I have projected in this the court functioning system. Then, Your Honor, Dr. Gunter Hirsch, the then Supreme. The Nobel Prize winner, 3 Nobel Prize winners from around the globe were there. One of the Justice Minister of Hassan, George Inkhon, was kind enough to give me the opportunity to have a meeting, and later on he was impressed with my work, and he put in a word to the Prime Minister Hassan, Mr. Ronald Kaur. And then the Hindu law and its influence on the Indian law development since independence. These are the 2 pages which I had a rare opportunity to address in the international meet of 18 members around the world at Frankfurt. These are the contents of the basic legal system which everybody will go through in the book and have a view, and not a little bit of a detailed view that the courts in Germany, what I have found, sir, do not much rely on the judgment. They rely on the instant arguments and the force hit by the lawyers. The court system, the ordinary court system is specialized in the constitutional, the cases of judges, and the selection of judges is purely, entirely the very secretive work which has been done by the Justice Department, and nobody can interfere. Then Your Honor, I had the opportunity to place the hierarchy of the courts, like the Supreme Court, High Court, is the same way I have addressed it. Gone to the depth to have the law emblems of the two countries, so that the comparison should be right from the grass till the top. Then there was the dinner speech which the Honorable Justice Minister had posted, where it was kind of like give me an opportunity to speak for 5 minutes. Now, this is the discussion on the 27th of October, I beg your pardon, 2009, with the Chief Prosecutor, like we have the Solicitor General, in Wiesbaden, which they have taken all the responsibility. And this happens to be 6th of November 2009 in Berlin in the Statutory Center. Finally, I had a detailed meeting over the Indo-Business German laws in Berlin at the Indian House with our Indian ambassador. This is a message by Dr. Ronald I beg your pardon, the Hessian Prime Minister, Ronald Koch. Because I had given my book to him after 3.5 months, I got an email from him and his comments and later a detailed letter. On 17th of August 2010, I was invited by the High Court in Frankfurt, and Dr. Manfred Stoss, the Chief Prosecutor, on behalf of the Chief Justice, that is the President, Dr. Klosch, being on leave, declared my book to be a research study, and they have endorsed the certificate. And Dr. Manfred Stoss, in a brief official function, handed over the note, it being a research study accepted by the General Division. This was a compilation, sir. So we have worked very hard after the theory over the pictorial comparison, which today it is the opportunity to also get it released from you. My sincere thanks, and all present here. This was a little brief background which I could make to have a little view with everybody, so that what I had been doing in 4.5 years, of course, being sitting before our Union Law Minister, Justice Minister Gautam Mandeya, I sincerely, sir, convey my gratitude and thanks to the President, Supreme Court, the Justice Minister, and the Hessian Prime Minister Germany for their sincere cooperation. Now, I will request Honorable Mr. Manish Tiwari, Member Parliament, our guest of honor, to please say a few words and share.
Distinguished Moiliji, the Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, Sir Iqbal Singh Ji, my colleagues, Mr. Pratap Singh Bajwa, Mr. Vijayendra Singla, Mr. Bhinder, the former Police Commissioner of Delhi and known for many more illustrious and distinguished positions after that, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a pleasure to be here amongst all of you to say a few words about the book which our dear colleague Mr. Harpreet Sandhu has written. And I think it's both a very timely and a novel initiative, as the Indian economy has been growing now for 20 years, as India has globalized and is playing an increasingly larger role on the global stage. It is very imperative that we also compare and contrast as to how different legal systems around the world have evolved, how do they function, what are the commonalities, what are the points of distinction. So therefore it will help us both as a country and essentially as a legal system to be able to understand each other better. Our legal traditions are essentially derived from our colonial experience. They are based in not only in part but in great substance on British common law as it evolved over the years. So therefore, it is extremely important that with all the other emerging players in the world, especially those who may reflect the power balance as it will stand over the next 2 decades, be it Germany, be it Brazil, be it Japan, be it some of the other emerging and rising economies, that we have a fair understanding of how their legal systems operate. And especially in the context of Punjab, from where most of us comes, an understanding of the criminal justice system of those countries is very important, because we have to deal with a large number of our people, who keep getting into trouble regularly. So I think even from that perspective, Harpreet's book would be a very enlightening experience in trying to understand how the German judicial system functions. And I'm sure, since we have Mr. Moilia here, who is himself a very, very prolific author, and notwithstanding his very hectic schedule, I mean, he's been an active politician now for the last 40 years. He still finds time to write regularly. Has written tomes and treatises on subjects which are connected and unconnected with law, and found or tried to discover the moral impulse or the moral imperative of how the moral foundations of law have evolved into judicial principles over a period of time, even going as far back as the mythological sources of India's civilizational strength, to try and discern that. So I think that we cannot possibly have a more appropriate person to release Mr. Harpreet Sandhu's book today. And I think I would just stop at that. Thank you very much.
Request the Honorable Minister kindly for books.
I think through Lieutenant Governor.
His Excellency is closest to Germany. That's why I'm shipping
So this is a German constitutional book which I was handed by the Chief Justice and the Justice Minister, which I thought appropriate to hand it over.
Wow. That's a gift for you, sir. Thank you.
This is the pictorial picture, vision, and today what is more than our country, a competition which took us 3.5 years to complete it. It has been endorsed from Bangalore, and we just received another. I would request you, this is the only copy which you made to release it. Whatever the book has, this covers Victoria.
Very nice.